Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I am going to be testing out my fly rod. So I got my fly rod here. Let's get ready. So this might take me a little bit. So before I start the video, guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna try and start filming with my GoPro a little bit more. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty good. So yeah, thank you guys for clicking on this video. And yeah, so the first thing that I like about this is that it's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty wobbly. So yeah, let's get things started. Let's get it up there, if you can see. Boop. So this is my first outside video. Haven't done one yet. I think it's gonna be a good little part to my YouTube channel. This morning I woke up I don't feel good, so that's why I'm staying home again. Sorry if you guys can't really hear my voice. It is a little windy outside. So yeah. So I already like the color on this rod. It's a green color. I like that a lot. It's good. It's a good little combo. I only have 8% left on my GoPro, so I gotta make this video pretty quick. So yeah, this is just like a cheap little Cabela's reel. I got Bass Pro. So yeah, I already like it a lot. Very flexible. I feel like this will be very good for crappie. No, not crappie. Panfish. That kind of stuff. I feel like I'm like in a video fishing more. My papa, he's an amazing fly fisherman. Caught many nice last tarpon. Yeah, this is what I don't like about them, because they always get in these knots. Yeehaw. Pretty good. I like this a lot, actually. Oh. Wait, what happened? Wait a minute, what happened? Got a knot. Okay. So. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Because, I mean, I got a giant knot now. No, I can't really fix it. I just split this whole thing up. So that's going to be the end of my video, guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done that. Thank you for 2 subscribers. I really do appreciate that. Comment down below if you guys want to see more fly fishing videos. And that'll be it. Bye-bye, guys.